Hi, you have finished the introductory unit for English 112 and you're moving into your first real unit that has work to be done, the literary analysis. I just wanted to review a couple of things with you before you get started. So this is your literary analysis unit. You will have had to complete your verification enrollment activity, which I believe you all have done. You will need to read these 5 pages in your Norton Field Guide. That is the big textbook that you will have. It discusses literary analysis. You will also need to read Desiree's Baby by Kate Chopin. If you click right here, you will go to a PDF file of the story. This right here has many useful resources. You will need to click here to go to the PowerPoints and explanations for each of the types of literary tools so that you can write your essay. Part of the essay that you will have written, here's the literary analysis assignment sheet, is that to write a literary analysis well, you need to use theories to help support your thesis. It helps to craft your thesis. So this book right here gives the different literary theories that you can use. Desiree's Baby lends itself well to writing an historical critique, a feminist critique, a sociological critique, lots of ones that are really good that you can use. So check that out. Also check out the sample student essay. It's not of Desiree's Baby, but it gives you a good idea of what you can do. Here is your entrance ticket that you will just go through and answer that question. Here are your literary analysis guided reading questions. These questions you will answer for each unit you are in, and these questions deal with the reading. So there will be questions based on those 5 pages from your Norton Field Guide as well as Desiree's Baby. And then the next activity that you are going to do is you are going to complete group work. And I have already assigned your groups, and you will notice that there are 5 different groups. The way you know you are in a group is if you hover over the name, you should get a little hand that says that you can click on that. And then you'll just need to follow the directions. If you try all 5 of them and you do not see a little hand, you need to email me immediately and let me know that there's a problem. After your group has completed all of these, then you'll choose one person to go into this form and to submit your information. Every person will have access to the information you provided. So what we're doing is we're taking the 5 different literary elements, and each group is working on one of them. And then we're going to share them so that as you're writing your essay, you can go back to this form and get help from your friends. And so this is a great way to be collaborative in an online environment and to help each other out. So please make sure that you take the time to really do this and work with this so that you can help others and they can help you. I do want us to review each other's your thesis statements for this one. Most of you have never written an essay like this before, or it's been a long time. And the thesis statement really will help you to better your writing. So you're going to get help from your peers and from me in the literary thesis statement. Just like in the last unit, you're going to have to give us an ethnography update. This is to make sure you stay on track and that you're working hard. And then you'll submit your literary analysis essay and then your journal activity, which will be a reflection of the information you just did. I strongly recommend in both your tentative schedule and in this video that before you submit your final draft here, that you will submit it to Smart Thinking or go to the English Studio and get help from them so that you can make sure your essay is as good as possible. So a literary analysis is a great essay to learn how to write because regardless of your major, breaking apart and analyzing things is going to be crucial. So even if you're not an English major, and most of you are not based on your, actually I don't think anyone is, based on your welcoming majors, you still need the analyzation skills in any workplace environment. As you're working through this unit, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.